In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily give access to Google Tag Manager and request access in 2025. Whether you're a business owner, a digital marketer, or simply someone looking to manage your website tags more effectively, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the Google Tag Manager interface with ease. First, open your web browser and go to tagmanager.google.com. This is your starting point for managing all things related to your Google tags. Once you're here, you'll see a list of your containers. If you're not familiar with the term, a container in Google Tag Manager is essentially a snippet of code that allows you to manage your tags across your website or app without needing to modify and publish code. Next, sift through the list and locate the specific container that you want to give access to. If you manage multiple websites or have several containers, you might find it helpful to use the search feature on the page to locate the right one quickly. Once you've found the correct container, look to the right of the container ID. You'll see three vertical dots, often called the Options menu, which is your gateway to more actions. Click on these three dots and select User Management from the drop-down menu. Doing this will open a User Management pop-up window, taking you one step closer to sharing access. In this window, notice the plus button, usually positioned at the top or the side of the interface. Click this button and then choose Add Users from the list of options that appears. Now it's time to enter the email addresses of the users you wish to add. Ensure the email addresses are correct to avoid any access issues later on. Once you've inputted the emails, it's important to set permissions that align with your intentions for each user. You can select from a variety of roles: publish, approve, edit, or read. Each role carries a different level of authority, so take a moment to consider what level of access each new user should have. For instance, if someone is only assisting with analysis, read permission might suffice. However, if they're setting up tags, you may want to offer more comprehensive permissions such as edit or publish. When you're satisfied with your selections, go ahead and click Invite. This action will send invitations out to the new users. They'll receive an email that includes a link, which, when clicked, grants them access with the permissions you've assigned. Now all that's left is for the invited users to accept the invitation. Once they do, they will have the specified access to the container, and you can all get started on managing your Google tags seamlessly. Remember, sharing access responsibly helps maintain the security and effectiveness of your digital assets. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful for managing your Google Tag Manager access.